So welcome back guys, and for today the 13th of July 2024, I'm going to be giving you the daily combo for Hamster Kombat. Now to get that, you just want to come onto this mind section at the bottom corner right here, and you can actually do see I've gotten one out of the combo right now. And to get this particular first one, you actually need to go onto your P&R team, as you can see right here in this section. Once you do select that, you want to just simply scroll down and you want to select this security team. Now once you select this is actually the first card right here. Now we're going to move on to the second card. To get the second card, you actually want to just simply go onto this section that says market. Now, while on the market section, you want to scroll down to the bottom section and you can actually do see this prediction market option right now. Once you select this, you want to click on go ahead, and this is one out of the cards right there. So once I do select this, as you can see, this is the second card is assembled, just a little bit left. Now, what you want to do right now is to go onto this Web3 section, and once you select that, you can see this NFT marketplace. Now, if you do go on to clicking on go ahead, you're just simply going to go on to getting your third card, and you can actually claim your 5 million tokens of the Hamster Kombat right now. So with these guys, you can actually do go on to getting a nice job done with this right here. So if you want to just simply stay tuned to get more info on Hamster Kombat concerning the daily combo and also the daily cipher, why not just simply hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.